Introducing the Fitsec APT platform. The Fitsec APT platform is a web application that runs on your browser, so there is nothing to install. It enables you to search our database for APT threat actors and all data related to them. New data is continuously added as we track the latest attacks and activities. Searching through the data has been made simple thanks to easy-to-use filters and a search bar where you can enter anything: file names, file types, methods, tools, hashes, etc. The platform is a valuable tool for SOC teams and threat intelligence teams to help with day-to-day operations. For SOC teams, the tool can facilitate data enrichment and rating threats. And for threat intelligence teams, our platform can act as a library of past and current data about APT actors to improve defenses and make better decisions. With these insights, the team can offer executives better suggestions. The clear grouping of threats and their visual representation can help upper management better understand the threat landscape. Let's take a closer look at our platform's user interface. This is the home view of the platform. Here you can see focused view of APT activity according to your settings. The page displays the amount of APT activity in different sectors and regions. On the active cases page, you can easily search through all the cases we are monitoring. In the top right, you can filter the results by targeted sectors and regions. Search tags appear above the search bar to make complex searches possible. The case view page lists all the indicators of compromise and other data about the specific case or attack. On the left, you can see the IOCs divided by type, such as files, network indicators, etc. On the right, you can see methods and tools used and other metadata. The group list page enables you to easily search all groups for any data. On the settings page, you can change how information is displayed on the home page by choosing the sectors and regions most relevant to you. Here you can also request a new feed format should you need it and toggle notifications from the platform. Notifications are delivered by email when a case targeting your sector is updated, or when any other case is updated with new information. If you are interested, you can get a free test period. After the free 1-month trial period, you will be able to make an informed decision based on how useful the data provided to your organization is. Once your free trial ends, it will not automatically become a paid subscription, so you won't be charged accidentally. You can subscribe for a free trial by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for your time. Let's keep in touch.